Christian Chambers back here again. This time we're making a potentiometer circuit. This is circuit number 2 with the Arduino Uno board. So for this, we will be using the potentiometer head. We need an LED light of any color. We will be using this short red wire, this blue wire, and these other wires over here. To begin, we shall hook the potentiometer up to A6, A7, and A8 on the left region. Next, we shall hook up the resistor to J21 and the negative part on the right region.
J21 and the negative one right beside.
Okay, now we have hooked up the resistor to J21 as instructed and hooked up the other end to the negative part, and we have the potentiometer. Next is the blue jumper wire. We are going to hook this up to E6 and hook it up to the negative spot on the right region. E6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the right region. And we'll hook it up to the second negative spot on this region. Next is the green wire, and we are going to hook this up to E6. No, my bad, E7, and this is going to get hooked up to A0 on the analog input end.
Okay, and then to put this into analog A0, see if you can see.
Yep, A0. Okay, so we have the resistor, the first two wires, and of course, it's hooked up to the computer. Next wire will be the orange. Well, now to hook up the next wire. Pin 13 as well as J20. Next, we can do the LED light at H20 and H21. According to the book, the positive end goes at 20. And the negative goes in 21. Next wire we will hook up to 5V and the bottom plus.
Alright, so that end is hooked up. Now let's take the other end and connect it to the bottom plus.
Next, we shall take the black wire, hook it up to G and D on the power side. The first G and D. And hook it up right beside this negative, this positive right here. As a recap of what we have so far, we have the black wire hooked up to the bottom negative, and then the other end of the black wire is hooked up to the first G and D next to the red wire, which is hooked up to 5V power 5V, and then back over here at plus. Then we have the resistor hooked up to 21, J21, and the negative, and then it's hooked, and then you have the red wire, which is hooked up to J20, as well as digital 13. Then you have the LED, which is hooked up to H20 and H21 respectively. Then you have the blue cord, which is hooked up from this negative port right here to E6. Then the green wire is hooked up at E7 as well as A0. And then you have, and the potentiometer is hooked up at A6, A7, and A8 in a row. We just need one more cord to complete this circuit. Alright, so now we have another cord, and this one goes E8 and plus. So it goes right. Fix the focus. E8 to the plus. Now to test and see if this works. The circuit is complete. I just went on to examples and under the file bar and got circuit 2. And now I'm about to, I press verify and I'm about to upload it to see if I can get it to change its blinking pattern based on how much I turn the potentiometer. Now I'm about to press upload. Alright, it is done. Now let's see. Okay. Let's get you closer. Let's get you guys closer. Switch hands. All right. And this is how you build a successful potentiometer analog circuit. Well, I believe it's analog, but I mean, I saw something that said analog in the book, so, but it doesn't matter. And this has been my tutorial.